Someone is leaving Singapore. Sorry to hear that. Leaving Singapore to move to the UK. Right. So in a situation like that, when you're leaving Singapore, particularly to go to a higher tax jurisdiction like Europe, you need to be prepared, right? Because you've been spoiled in Singapore, being in a relatively low tax environment. So you're going to be jumping into a fire from a tax perspective. So you go the UK, just like the rest of Europe. I know the UK is not part of Europe, but you know what I mean. It is a high tax jurisdiction, so some sort of planning is recommended. So you probably want to sit with an advisory team who understands both Singapore and the UK, if it is that you're moving, and the US, because you're US exposed as well. There are tax planning opportunities from a UK perspective. You can elect something called a split year treatment, where part of, even, I don't know when, no, you didn't mention when this year you're going to be moving to the UK, but you do have an opportunity to exclude depending on when you move to the UK, the period, the part of the tax year before you move, you can exercise the option to exclude that from UK taxes, rather than go with the default where the entire tax year is taxable to the UK. So electing that split year treatment provides a planning opportunity to the extent that any big transactions you may need to make, you can make in Singapore, especially capital gains, stock options, whatever, you can make in Singapore before moving to the UK, I'm sorry. In addition to which, you can elect to be what we call, or what is commonly known as res non-dom. So you can be tax resident in the UK, but without being tax domiciled in the UK. And that gives you the opportunity to exclude your foreign income, your foreign source income from UK taxes. Everything is going to be taxable to the US, obviously, but the UK tends to be a higher tax jurisdiction than the US. So when you UK-US exposed, you tend to plan to the UK rather than in Singapore when you plan to the US, because it's a higher tax jurisdiction. So bottom line is, I would recommend some sort of tax optimization strategy session with a team. And we're happy to provide that if you're not already committed in another direction. We go through all your assets and all your income streams and help you, help guide you as to what's the most appropriate decision to you, given this big step you're about to make. Hope that helps.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.